Do you enjoy it when people play pressure defense on you?
Well, you will after you learn this move.
The around the world.
Basically, you're putting the ball around the defender.
You want this move to work well? You got to give the setup properly. So first, you want the defender to play tight on you. So this way you can reach out and get the ball around.
Some will just always play tight, otherwise, you need to go closer or give them a fake so that they come closer. It also helps if the defender is smaller than you so that they don't have the reach to steal the ball.
Another thing to keep in mind is you need space behind the defense. If there's a help defense nearby, they're going to strip it when you're doing this. Which is why when I do this, it's either on the 45 or the 0. Now we've got the setup right, let's get to the move. See, you can do this off the triple threat or off the dribble, okay? So what I like to do is first fake up. Either a pass or a shot. This will get the defender to close in. And then you're going to fake a drive. So you want it to look like a proper drive, okay? So look that side, step, lean in. And then you need to reach beyond them at about hip height. Then put the ball around. To make it go all the way around, you got to flick your wrist. So now it's important to get the ball back. So don't put too much power like this.
Unless you're doing it in transition and have the space to run and get the ball back.
You want it to be gentle and you want to put some spin on it so that the ball will come to your hand easily. Now this move can be done 100% legally, but there are things you can mess up and do some violations in. First up is the carry. When you're going into this off the dribble and you go into faking the drive, if you really want to sell it, you're going to put your hand under and extend. That is a carry. So make sure you fake with your foot, your eyes, and don't put your hand under the ball to extend it this much. Extend it as much as you need to and make sure your hand doesn't go under the ball like this. The next thing you can mess up is traveling. This happens off the triple threat. Say you get the ball, you fake up here and you step out. You can't lift this foot until you release the ball. If you go like this, that would be a travel. Now yeah, this is street ball with the ball behind them. I highly doubt anyone's going to call a carry or a travel on you. But like I'd always say, it's best to learn to do a move legally first. And then after that, maybe for more effect, you can carry, travel, whatever. If people are not calling it, it's your wish. Just get out there and school some tight defenders. If you want to see more street ball move breakdowns, check this out and comment below what moves you want broken down. Subscribe and turn on all notifications because I've got more such tutorials coming for you. See you here next.